Well, it's been a minute. I figured I'd come out here and do a quick little garden tour update. In winter, it's a mess. Everything's a mess. I brought these guys outside just to get some sun the other day, and I left them out here, and it got to 29 degrees last night. So, all right, where do we start? Well, let's just start over here. So here's the succulent garden. It's not doing a whole bunch. I'm a little concerned about I put a hen and chick, I don't know if you could see it right down there, in here last year. And yeah, it's not doing too well. I mean, I guess the rest of it looks like it's doing pretty good. But I don't know, time will tell. It doesn't like this time of year because it just gets cold and wet out here. In fact, I probably should pull this whole thing back. I mean, then it wouldn't get a lot of sun, but at least it would keep it a little drier. But anyway, moving on. So all of the bulbs they're dead and gone for the year. There's my little mimosa bonsai that I might just throw away. I don't know. We got some more succulents around here too, and some more there. The willow tree, I'm probably going to just take that out. Some of these I just don't want to mess with anymore. So I don't know. There's the California palm. I don't remember. Those are like those miniature carnations around it. This is my sage plant. You can see it is flowering a little bit, but I like the leaves have a nice. I wish we had smell-o-vision. It's just wonderful. That tree. I don't know if you guys remember the story of that, but somebody asked me to haul it to the dump. So they wanted to keep their pot because it was an expensive pot. So I took it out of the pot, threw it in my truck, and brought it home and repotted it. Oh, there's the mandevilla. It's still doing good. Another California palm with all the creeping Jenny down there. So we come around the corner here, the tight corner. I put my indoor tomato outside because I'm done. I'm not doing something right with it. You could see how big it's gotten, and it's just not doing anything. So it's out here now. I'm just going to cut it down and use that pot for something else. Here's the two Majesty palms that used to be along that wall over there. They're undercover. Got the butterfly plant. Got the, what is that right there is the, it's kind of like a type of spider plant. Well, speaking of spider plants, we got the big one up there. And there's more creeping Jenny. Not a whole bunch to say here. Things are just kind of are what they are. I got the log splitter right there. It's just, things are a mess this time of year. Things are a mess here all year, but oh, look at this. That is a very happy Christmas cactus. And here's another very happy one it's not fully bloomed yet, but look at all the flowers. It's got one right down there. See it? See it right down there? That's kind of a nice looking one. It's still got to bloom more, but yeah, happy Christmas cactuses. There is the hens and chicks. A lot of them have just died off. I don't know. I looked for those forever, and I finally found them, and then I killed them. And that's pretty much, I mean, you look at the mud trail from just taking Charlie to the bathroom. Everything is just kind of dead. Japanese maple right there is, well, I mean, it loses its leaves. It's supposed to. You've got the banana cannas on either side. I need to get those cut down. The other cannas right next to it, same thing. Need to cut them down. The banana trees. Oh yeah, they need to cut the elephant ears and banana trees right over there. They need to get cut down too. Other than that, I mean, there's not a whole lot outside to share. Everything is just a huge mess. Oh, shadows. Sorry, nothing I can do about it. Sun's sitting low in the sky. Yeah, everything's just a mess I got to deal with. What do we got? Anything? Oh, let's go look out front. I know I said we were going to go out front, but I just want to hit in here really quick. Lily, peace lily, still not doing hardly anything, but hey, it's green, and so I've got a, this is a lemon lime pothos here, just a clipping off my big one. China doll tree was completely dead, as you can see. That's kind of what the whole tree looked like. It's got all kinds of new growth. Doing good, kind of happy about that. And then you've got the croton here, which is pretty much lost almost all of its leaves. It's got a few left. I don't hold much hope for this plant. I mean, I'm gonna try, but I don't know. I don't hold up much hope for it. So anyway, let's go check out front now. All right, out here, the ferns are doing pretty good. These are all, I don't remember what they all are. I know these were some sort of gosh, I don't remember now. It just slips my mind. I don't think any of these were supposed to live through the winter though. I still have Christmas decorations to put away. There's the other Japanese maple, looking pretty much as it should. It hasn't, the leaves are like dead, but they're still stuck to it. There's the lantana there. Oh, it looks like we have some little seed pods growing out of it. That's kind of neat. Everything, like I said, kind of looks as I would expect it to this time of year. Now indoors, of course, there's a little bit of a different story. These two African violets almost died. You could see this one's looking quite a bit better. This one's looking a lot better than it did. I mean, they were all brown like that. I mean, I don't know if that light, you see what I mean? Yeah, so we've got the two Nerf plants right up here. I love those things. I like this one. This one's got like, it's hard to explain. They're like rough leaves and they feel kind of gross. These ones are soft. I like these ones. You still have the original. It needs a lot of trimming done to it, but the original golden pothos that kind of started my whole plant journey. We've got all the orchids here, doing great. Everything's looking good. I had that tomato growing right here, and no, it's outside now. It's gone. The guppy tank here is doing great. Let me turn this off again. Move that guy out of the way. You can see my little shrimp back there. There's the mama. Papa's in there somewhere. There's two more shrimp down at the bottom there. Can you guys see those guys? I like the little shrimp. I gotta clean. Oh, there's another shrimp right there. They're really hard to see because they're just so small. But I know you could see the one crawling up the two. There's one there and one there. But there's all kinds of baby guppies in there too. How many? Let's see. I see 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 5 shrimp. 5 shrimp, yeah. And there's at least 3 or 4 baby guppies in there. And everything's all green because those plants just cause so much algae growth and everything in there. It's crazy. But anyway, so yeah, that's kind of it. There's not a lot going on. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on some of this stuff. And I've not been a very good plant caretaker lately. I'm just getting over COVID. I tested positive, well, it was last Sunday, and today is Sunday, so it's been 7 days. I had a few pretty bad days there, and now I feel fine, but I feel extremely exhausted, just no energy, tired, and from what I gather, that's par for the course with COVID. And I should expect to feel this way for a while. Now, of course, that doesn't, I wasn't taking care of my plants properly long before then. It's been very busy. It's winter now. Things are finally slowing down for me for work. And I'm finally, I'm finally getting to that point where I can spend more time doing stuff I enjoy, and then I catch COVID. So that's kind of how that kind of worked. But, because yeah, you don't get stuff like this in 7 days. It's more like 7 months of neglect. And I mean, God, look at, they're just everything's all dirty. But anyway, that's all. That's pretty much it. I hope everybody's doing great and having a wonderful time. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and had a Happy New Year, and hope your 2024 is going amazingly. And we'll catch you on the next one.